Company how to use Comlins PTT platform? The sales will provide the website address and account password. Open the website. Enter account and password. View account information on the home page. How to create group. Select group list. Add group. Enter the group name and save. In Group List, you can modify and view all group information you created. How to add user. You can create, edit, and view users' information in the User Management list. There are 3 ways to add users: Account ID, ICCID, and IMEI. The differences between these 3 methods will be explained in detail below. Method 1: User List. Account ID to add user in the user list is for terminals with touchscreen. Choose Validity. User account is automatic generated. If you want to see the user's location, please turn on the GPS function, or turn off to save power. Complete Add User. In the user list, use user account to log in terminal. You can view the user current status, such as offline or online. After selecting user, you can modify user's information, delete or set user expiration. Also, it supports to use the time card to renew the user validity period. Method 2: ICCID. Add user in the ICCID list is for the terminals with small screen or without screen. Please pay attention that a valid ICCID number is 19 digits. The ICCID is bound to the SIM card. After the ICCID registration is done on the platform, you insert the SIM card into the terminal. The terminal will recognize the user account and auto-login. In the ICCID list, you can use an Excel sheet to add users in batches. Download the template file. Upload it after filling, then save to add users in batches. Method 3: IMEI. Add user in the IMEI list is also for the terminal with small screen or no screen. Please pay attention that a valid IMEI number is 15 digits. IMEI is bound to the terminal. After completing the IMEI registration on the platform, terminal will identify the account and auto-login after turning on. Other operations are the same as the ICCID method. How to renew expired user. Please view if you have time card in Personal Center. If not, please contact sales to purchase. Select the expired user, use time card to renew it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. sales@tid-china.com